Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Yesterday, we written a small application. Yes, same application once again. We try to implement, then we can enhance the application. Where did we written? We written within Visual Studio Code. There Windows key, just VS Code. VS Code. Once you configure properly, see, just I'm going to take like this. I think somewhere I copied or not, I don't know. That's why I'm taking this to copy it. Windows key are not bad. And saving somewhere for our future reference. Save, desktop, just a key. Now I'm removing everything here for your understanding purpose, for your clarity. Generally, if you want to work with Terraform, what is the first one? Provider. PROVID. After giving the provider block, see provider block. We need to mention provider. If it is Azure, we need to mention Azure. We are working with AWS, that's why we are giving AWS. Each provider having some some keys, that is the access key. Access key is the similarly the access key and also take something here and also secret key and take something here and region. These are the main three things we need to provide here. Access key, somewhere we saved. Just you go and copy and paste it. First, we need to take somewhere key I written, right? Key. Somewhere I copied with key. Check it. Somewhere key is there. Yes. There copy the access key or otherwise I'm taking both as it is. You know this. See, in this place, I'm best. We're mentioning access key, secret key. Region. What is the region, ma? I written US. And anyone can guide me? US hyphen West
Yes.
hyphen to US West to US West. After that, I said, I want to create an EC2 instance. EC2 instance. Yeah, the EC2 instance is one type of resource, right? That's why we're using resource. This is the resource block. Then we go for resource type AWS underscore. Remaining system will provide INSC automatically will get. These are all different types of resource resource types. AWS instance. The resource name. What is the name? EC2. There after that, within that, what we are providing, what we provided, tell me anyone. It is AMI, AM. It's equal to that AMI. How can we get? We'll go and get it. We'll go and get it. Which one? US Western. Directly we're going to US Western. How can we go and get? It is AWS login. Here we are moving to the region US West 2 because of you mentioned US West 2. Within the US West 2, we will go and refer it. Amazon Machine Image. How can I get this? Click on here. Amazon Machine Image. You tell me which type of instance you want to create. Maybe Ubuntu, maybe Linux, maybe CentOS like that. Click on just launch instance. Any type, any one type. There, you tell me now, which were Linux or Ubuntu or Red Hat. Please respond anyone.
Linux.
Linux, click on Linux. Click on Linux. There I click Linux. Remaining thing is common. Here observe. This one you need to copy. AMI, Amazon Mission Image. That is the image ID. Image ID. Copy this. This one you want to copy. And you need to paste it. Paste. Where is that? Yes. Next. If you want to give the name, if you want to give the name, I think type. You want to provide the name for this. You want to provide the name for. If you want to provide name, where is just click here. AWS resource. AWS resource RESO yours a resource. What is that? EC2 instance. EC2 instance Terraform. Terra- AWS instance resource HashiCorp AWS. Everything they written. Our intention is how to utilize this. How to utilize this. See, am I used AMI right? AMI like this I use. Here even somewhere it is there clearly. Clearly somewhere they mentioned. Yesterday we took right. Yesterday I took like this. See, AMI. This is the AMI. Instance type. Instance type. Even you can check it here. Here they written for AMI. What are the requirements? What are the here is the argument reference. See, AMI is optional. Next, which is mandatory? Anyone is mandatory. This one is also optional. This one is also optional. Any mandatory option is there? There is no mandatory option here. Maybe one or two may be there. We'll check it. See, this option is there are not checked somewhere. What is the option? I took this option. Instance type, ma. Somewhere instance type is there or not? Observe and tell me. Instance type. See, instance type. This word I am using. Instance type here. See, I am writing here instance type. INS instance type. What is the instance type? T2 micro. T2 micro. T2. After instance type, you need to provide tags. Tags. Within the tags, just name. Name is equal to name, lowercase. Name. Name is equal to line. What is the name? That is the EC2. EC2. Tag name. That EC2 I am provided. Now observe it. We can check it. If anything goes wrong, we'll try to modify. We'll try to modify. Even see what they provided here. See, they given like this, right? See, tags is equal to name of the tag. Name of the tag. That means for EC2 instance, we are providing one tag name. For providing one tag. Now check it. Just Control S, copy. Which drive, ma? I think within E drive. What is the folder name? Terra. Within the folder, what is our file name? Main.tf. TF represents Terraform file. TF represents Terraform file. Windows key E. CM. Not Windows key. Windows key R. CMD. Going to which drive? E drive. There CDTERA. There notepad, even you can check it. Main.tf. Same code is there or not. Main.tf. Got it? Now just even that to close it. How to validate this? Terraform, 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 validate. Something goes wrong, check it. Here, AWS instance EC2 on main.tf line 10 in resource. A reference to a resource type must be followed by at least one attribute access specifying the resource name. Now something goes wrong. It is saying where it is goes wrong. AWS instance. Any quotations are mandatory. Check it. Somewhere it is expecting quotations. AMI okay. Yeah, quotations you need to provide. T2 micro quotations. Double quotation is needed. Double quotation is needed. Control yes. There is up arrow. Enter. Again something goes wrong. On main.tf line 10 in resource AWS instance INSTANCE AMI AMI AMI. What is the problem? Control yes. Now it is success, right? Now here we need to learn the hierarchy order. See Terraform init first. Terraform init. After that validate. After that plan. After that apply. After that destroy. This is the hierarchy. If you use initialization, it will download related plugins. Maybe whatever the AWS, maybe whatever the AWS are mentioned, provider, the provider related plugins, it will download it and it will place it. All the packages, required packages. Validate code is syntax is correct or not. Code syntax is correct. In previous, we got maybe line 10 something goes wrong. Why it is provided? Double quotations are missing. Even they didn't mention double quotation. Okay, once if we given double quotation, then only it will accept. Okay, double quotations provide. Next, we are going to apply plan, right? Here also I am giving plan option. Terraform plan. Plan means what has to be see known after apply. These are the things I can do it. It will say in future I will fix it all these things. I'll try to install all these things. Here is one to add. In one resource, I need to fix it all this. For our resource, we need to install it. We need to configure it. Zero changes, zero destroy. Next, after plan, I can apply. APPLY. Apply means what is to be. That means at present, I'll do it. I'll configure it. Yes, you are giving the confirmation. Yes, sir. Try to configure it. It is configuring. Simply technical word is just provisioning. Technical word is provisioning. Provisioning means creating. Provisioning means creating. See the word still creating. Based on your internet speed, it is taking. See, apply complete resource one. This is what is to be. That means now it is finished. Now it is finished. How can we check it? Just go to here, instance. There, just refresh it. Just refresh it. Where is the refresh? This one. Go to EC2. Now check it one instance. For this instance, we are not able to connect. Why? You don't know PEM file. Check it. Click on here. We're coming to SSH. Some PEM file is there. ID underscore RSA. We don't know this PEM file, right? We need to provide our own PEM file. We need to provide our own PEM file. How do we provide our own PEM file? Now just observe. How can I do it? How can I do it? Here I am going to Windows key. Already I am in drive, right? Just one step back, cd dot dot. Here is notepad, notepad, again main dot here. One file is there, yesterday. Now, what is the additional thing here? Observe and tell me what is the additional thing? Key underscore name is equal to something error. Key underscore name. Key underscore name. Test terra error. Key underscore name. We need to mention our own key underscore name. Here also, I'll try to mention key underscore name test terra. You may ask, sir, is it really already existing key or system will generate this key? System won't generate this key. We need to create key. First, we'll go and create key, then key underscore name we have to mention. See, check it here. Click on here. Just go to EC2. Go to EC2. Then click on instances. There, just launch instance. Don't do anything, ma. Just directly go to key section. Directly go to key section. Create new key page. I'm writing. I'm writing one new key name. It is key page. Just writing here or create new key page. What is the key page name? Just Terraform. Terraform. I'm giving the name is Terraform. 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 Just click create key page. Terraform. That's all. I created one key. I created one key. Yes. Once key is created, key is downloaded within your downloads folder. Within your downloads folder. Now I'm going to here. Just within this key underscore name. System will provide automatic intelligence. What is the key name? Double quotation Terrafor. Terraform. That is the key name. .pem file. This is the pem file. Once it is over, just control S save. Control S save. After saving, some modification has done, right? Yeah, this is existing. This is existing. This is new thing added. New thing. Once new thing added, just once again you go to CD Terra, there, there. Again, you just go for validate. Just you go for validate. We are checking. Yes. Next, then you go for after validate, you go for plan. It will provide the plan for us. See, existing plan already there. For new plan, it is created. Plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 1 to destroy. Now, what does it mean? Whatever existing is there, already created, right? That first it will destroy. After destroying, it will create new one. It will create new one. Why? Same one they are creating, but with changes. It will go and do same change. It will go and do same change, same within the same thing. Changes are not possible. First, what it will do? It remove it and recreate it. Remove it, recreate it. We check it. What happened? Validate. Then you go for apply. Apply. We are giving confirmation. Yes. First, what it is doing? First, it is removing existing one. Then it is trying to add new one. Just you know the word. You buy a laptop that is having a small defect. What will you do? They will tell. We can repair it. You may say, don't repair. Just replace it. I need new piece. I don't want existing piece. Similar way, first it is removing existing, then it will create new one. See, destroying. Just destruction complete. Then resource is created. We will check it. After creating the resource, that name is available or not. That name is available or not. Just go to instances. Go to instances. There check it. This is the instance. It is running. Even see new one is created. Existing one terminated. Check it. Existing one terminated. Just click on this. Now click on connect. Check it here. See Terraform. Am I got it or not? Terraform. But if you want to work with this, if you want to work with this, click on our instance. There click on this. There you go to security. There we need to configure inbound rules, you know, right? Inbound rules. If you want to connect to that, if you want to connect it to that, it is edit inbound rules. We need to attach add rule. That's which one? SSH varies. SSH just save rules. Not supporting there anywhere I give save rule. Once it is saved, again going to EC2. There click on this. Click here, connect it, SSH, copy this, Windows key, your FEM file where it is there, downloads, Terraform is there, right click, show more, git bash, right click, paste it. I think it is initializing, maybe it is completed or not, we don't know. We'll check it. You'll get yes, yes. Once everything is fine, it is connected or not? Who created this instance? Who created? Terraform created. Who created? Terraform created. Like that, we can create multiple instances. Even we will check it. Maybe small modification we have to do. How to create multiple instances. Even I can enhance this. How to create multiple instances. Multiple. instances. Multiple EC2, multiple EC2 instances. We need to do small changes. Automatically that will work. Instance my mission count is equal to 4. Here AMI lookup. It is taken from somewhere else. Or it is doing some other activity. Okay, anyway, we'll try to work with our way. We'll try to work with our way. They took only count is equal to 4. I am adding this one now. We'll check it step by step. Name is equal to my mission count dot index. Tags, right? Yes. Count dot index. Good. Okay. I'm taking count is equal. I'm trying to add only small modifications. How can we get it? How can we get it? See, we are doing small modification. What is that? Count is equal to 4. How many instances you want to create? 2. Assume. Count 1. Key is the right key. This is one argument. Count is equal to 2. Count is equal to 2. Here for first one name. For second one, another name you want to provide. They given here index. What they given? See, I can increase it. You can easily understand. After count is equal to 4, they need to mention tags. Count dot index means 0, first one, second one, like that. 0, first one, second one. Same name I don't want. Same name. Easy to, in shell script variable substitution. Anyone can guide me? Anyone can guide me? Underscore, dollar sign, flower bracket, open, flower bracket, close. At least everybody know this, right? You know or you don't? At least tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we know. Somewhere we studied that is useful here. Here is index is the predefined index dot. What is that? Count dot index, right? Count dot index. Count is the predefined key. Count dot index. Count dot index. Our duty is what to use, where to use, even how to use. Assume. I written something. It is working or not. Check it. Control S. Control S. Again, we are going to where this one is connected, right? I don't want. Just I am closing this. We don't want this now. Okay. Now where should I move? Prompt. There directly we can apply Terraform apply also not a problem. Once you save it, see here Control S. Some people may have a doubt. Sir, shall I use init? Shall I use validate? Shall I use flat? No. You save it, we can directly apply Terraform apply. But if code is having error, again it will produce an error. That's why we are going to apply validate. Anyway, I am using what it will say. See, now see, one to add, one to change, zero to destroy. In 3 to 4 interviews, they ask to Markonda sir, if I want to create more than one instance, what is the argument you need to pass? What is the key? What is the parameter? What is the simple answer, right? Count is equal to that specific number. Now you check it. Really, it was created or not. Where it is here. I want to go on tick on, refresh it. Then you go into instances. Now check it. Instances two are running or not. See, this is the existing one as it is okay. This is new one. Why existing one as it is okay? There is no changes. Have you observed? There is no changes in this. There is no changes. That's why it is taking as it is. New one got created. New one got created. But till now, anybody having any doubt? For both instances, what is the key? What is the common key? Common key is Terraform. Common key is Terraform. You check it here for latest one. Just click on connect. Just go here. What it is there? Terraform is. You may ask me for first one separate key. For second one, separate key. Yes, possible. But we have to follow extra code. Extra code. They were provided common because of here see the code I mentioned is the key name Terraform. Within this, how many instances are there? Count is equal to for two instances you take same same count. You know the names, right? You know the names. Check it once again. There instances it internally taking it internally taking 0 1. There somewhere tag names are there. Check it. Tag names. Somewhere tag name is there. Key name. Check it. Somewhere tag is there. I think. Refresh it. Maybe take this. Where is the tags? Just observe and tell me. Somewhere tag name is there. Tag name. Tag name must be shown. Anyone observe and tell me. Where is the tag name? Here tags. See, what is the tag name? Observe and tell me. What is the tag name? EC2 underscore 0. EC2 underscore 0. For second one, going to instances. Take the second one. I think this is the second one or first one I clicked. Click on this. Going to that. This is the first one. Going to instances. Click on here. Just check for tags. See, EC2 underscore 1, 0, 1. You may ask me, sir, I want 1, 2. I want 1, 2. What will you do? Simple modification. Simple modification. What is the modification? Here is the index plus 1. Count index plus 1. Here is count dot index plus 1. Count dot index plus 1. Now control S, just going to here. Terraform apply. Yes, only a system is saying, see, what system is doing? Observe, anyone read it? No additions, no destructions, only what it is doing. Small changes there. Only some part of the code we change. That's why instance common. We want to the instance tag name. Instance tag name. Instance tag name. Yes, simply it is modified. We are going there, we'll check it. Instances, take anyone. Maybe assume this is the first one we are feeling. There, click on tags. See, first one, right? Again, we are taking second one. This is the second one. Click on tags. See, second is giving EC2. Like that, we can change it. Is there any difficulty? Please observe and tell me. Count, we are passing, and we are specifying tag name. There, count dot index. Count dot technical word is count dot index. For our convenience, I added plus one. For our convenience, I added plus one. How to connect this also will. Is it clear or not? If you say it is clear, we are going to create VPC. We are going to create VPC. Yes or no? Anyone tell me? Is it clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes,
Clear. Now we'll try to create VPC. I think everybody know VPC creation. Now, if you want to work with VPC, one or two fields mandatory. One or two field mandatory. What are mandatory in the sense? CADR block is mandatory. Just manually are going to VPC. First we'll check it, VPC. In VPC, virtual private cloud, there subnets are there, route tables are there. What about route tables and subnets, route table, internet gateway? We'll try to create one by one according to our requirement. Suppose launch EC2 instance, no, create VPC, assume. If I click create VPC, here VPC and more. I don't want just VPC only. Here, name tag. My name is optional. Name is not mandatory. Name is not mandatory. But IPv4 CADR block is mandatory. For understanding, I am giving something test hyphen VP system. Test hyphen VP system. What is the CADR block I want to provide? See, 10 dot 10 dot 0 dot 0 slash 20 slash 16. Right, understand. If you learn in this way, you can easily understand. Why I am taking 10.10 0.0? See, here 16 bits, right? Assume. Here 16 means 16 bits. Here 8 bits. Here 8 bits. Here 8 bits, 5 bits. Here how many I want to change in future? These 16 only I want to change. That's why this is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is the network address. Network address. Okay, just here tenancy default. You try to remember. One is VPC. What is the name tag? Second one is what ma? IPv4 CADR block. What is the third one? Tenancy. Here I am not creating. For your clarification, I provided for you. Same thing. I am going to here. I am going to here. Just I am placing. One more resource or resource. AWS underscore. How much simple you can understand. Just I given V. Somewhere VPC is there good. Resource AWS VPC, the resource name test VPC, test VPC. This is the logical name. This is the logical. Nowhere we can use this. Only for who understand. Terraform understanding purpose, I am giving test VPC. You can give any name here. We can give any name here. Resource AWS VPC, test VPC. We know what are the required things. What are the required things? How can we understand? How can we get it? Here I said no need to learn anything. No need to learn anything. Simply you go to browser. Go to browser. Here I said here is VPC. VPC. AWS underscore and VPC. AWS underscore VPC. Just you type there, search it, or otherwise just one step back. Just one step back. Here you type AWS EC2 VPC, VPC, VPC. Resource. You need to give this one. See, directly you click on here. What we want to select, what we need to select. This is very easy, man. How to understand. I written already this, right? Resource. Here you can check it. CADR block is there, that too optional. Instance tenancy is there, that too optional. Here, what is mandatory? Is there any mandatory thing? No, there is no mandatory. Even if you give, if you don't give, system will consider one time. But some options we need to provide. What is the first one they provided? CADR block. Try to understand this one. CADR block. Classless interdomain routing block. CADR block. I'm giving here CADR block. Just a CEI. System automatically provides CADR block. What is the block range? Double quotation. 10 dot 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot slash 16. First step is completed. Second step, if you want to provide name, if you want to provide name, somewhere it is there, right? Where it is there, where it is there, name, check it and tell me. Cdir block. Okay, I'm taking instance tenancy, instance tenancy, instance tenancy. What is the instance tenancy? Even there also default instance tenant. Next, if required, you can give the name also. If required, you can give the name. Name, check it here. They provided name or not? They provided the name or not? See, in first, only CADR block is sufficient. Or otherwise, CADR block, instance tenancy, they are giving one tag name. They are giving one tag. Shall I go and apply tag name? Yes, tags then name. Tags then name. Where you want to apply? Within that, the tags. And flower bracket, within that, key is nothing but name. What is the name? Here is the test VPC, test hyphen VPC. These are the, whatever you are providing, here this is the convention. Even you can change here also, you can change. Just now observe, test VPC already created or not, we will go and check it. Or control S, control S. Test VPC got created or not. Manually we are checking. Where is that? This is instances. Yeah, right? Test V. Go to VPC. Go to VPCs. Here click on all VPCs. Test VPC is there or not? No. There is no test VPC. Even see, this is the default VPC 172.31.0.0/16. Once if I run this code, control S, just we are trying to execute this. Apply, enter it. Existing two resources, it won't touch because of those two already existing. Just we are giving confirmation. It is creating only VPC. It is creating only VPC. Now we will go and check it. There, refresh it. There, click on VPCs. See new VPC 10.0.10.10.0.0. One VPC got created. One VPC got created. Now I want to create a subnet. I want to create a subnet. How do I create a subnet? See, within that, again resource. What is the resource? AWS underscore subnet. Subnet. AWS underscore subnet. Is there or not? Yes. Subnet one name is subnet one only. Subnet one name is subnet hyphen one. Subnet hyphen. Same rules. What are the same rules? Here also CADR block, CIDR block. Okay. What is the CADR block generally? Anyone can refer? 10 dot, 10 dot. Tell me. Have you forgot or maybe have you remembered? I want to know that. What is the CADR block for? Subnet.
0.0/24.
0.0/20 24. 24. Good. You need to mention in double quotation. Here also, if it is there, instance tenancy, not required, Just next, we need to provide ID. Which ID? See, if you want to create a subnet, where you want to create? Within VPC. That's why we need to provide VPC ID. See, here ID is equal to ID ID is equal. How can I provide? How can I provide? Here, there is a dependency, is there or not? Yes, dependency is there. Dependency. How can you mention dependency? Again dollar sign, flower bracket. You know this. Dollar sign, flower. Dynamically, I want to pass. What I want to pass? AWS underscore VPC. Here you need to mention AWS underscore VPC. VPC. AWS underscore VPC. Dot. What is the name of the resource? Test hyphen VPC. Test hyphen there whatever the name you provided, that one VPC dot id. This is the way we can get it. Here you need to provide within double quotation. If any additional resource is there, we'll try to add. Even we can provide tag, right? For this, tags tags flower bracket. Here, what is the key? Here is the key is the name. Here is the, what is that? Subnet hyphen one. Just control S. If any additional resources require or not, we'll just go to here, there subnet, right? We need to create subnet. One step back, here EC2 VPC subnet. VPC subnet. Subnet. Subnet resource terra. Subnet resource terra. AWS subnet. Everything provided by Terraform. Our intention is to understand it, to implement it. See, VPC ID. How I got it? AWS underscore VPC dot. What is the AWS? This is the VPC name. VPC name. VPC name. That is the VPC ID. They given statically. There I given dynamically. There I given dynamically. We'll check it. Am I getting properly or not? My subnet will create or not. Control S, save this. I am going to here, apply it. If anything goes wrong, yeah, something goes wrong. Subnet 1, the argument VPC, somewhere underscore ID is there. Underscore ID, VPC underscore ID. Where is VPC underscore ID? VPC underscore ID. Now, somewhere I written something, VPC underscore ID. AWS VPC, test VPC. It is expecting something. What it is expecting something. Even this two also I may give underscore to avoid confusion. This two also I am giving underscore. Now AWS VPC, test underscore VPC dot I. Control S. Even this two also, right? This two also underscore. Easy to remember. Control S. If anything goes wrong, system will follow. VPC underscore ID is required. The argument VPC, yeah, VPC. And here they are given only ID, right? There I given only ID. In place of ID, you need to mention VPC underscore ID. VPC underscore ID. Control S, Control S, just up arrow, enter it. Now give the acceptance. See, subnet got created or not. Just going to instance. Where is our instance? This one? No. This one? No. Yes. Just click on subnets. Our subnet. What is our subnet? Refresh it. See, check it. Our subnet 10.10.0.0/20. Like that, we can create subnets. At least we'll try to create one route table or internet gateway. Shall we try for internet gateway? IGW. Internet gateway. Simply we are trying for internet gateway. Going to here in one step back, you know, AWS, EC2, VPC, internet gate, internet gate, internet gateway. See AWS internet gateway. Simply copy this. No need to do anything. Simply copy this. Simply copy this. Or otherwise, some extra lines are there. Why do you go for that? Simply you go for this one. What they provided? VPC ID tags. Even I can write our own way. We can write it our own way. Yes, we can write it. We can write it. Internet gateway. See how to write internet gateway? Take this and press enter. Now you know resource guide me. Resource. Then AWS underscore underscore internet. There we are having internet AWS internet gateway. What is the name of the gateway? IGW. IGW. Here, this internet gateway, this subnet depends upon whom? VPC, right? That's why we must mention VPC ID. What is the VPC ID? You know, double quotation, you know, dollar sign, you know, flower bracket open, flower bracket close. Within that, AWS underscore VPC dot. What is the name of the VPC? What is the name of the VPC? Test underscore VPC. Test underscore VPC. Dot. You need to provide ID. You need to provide ID. Okay, good. Then we are giving tags. TAGS tags. Now flower bracket. That name. Here is the IGW. 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 That's all. Now just control yes.
AWS means
AWS. Where? IG.
AWS VPC. VPC underscore ID.
Yeah,
That
yes,
means
yes, missed. Control S, Control S. Now Alt tab, up arrow, apply. Yes, yes means confirmation. It is created, that is provision. You need to go and check it. Subnets, there, internet gateway. Internet gateway. See, check it. One gateway got created or not? Yes, gateway. Our own gateway got created. IG See, we created three to four things, two instances, one VPC, two subnets, one internet gateway. Even we can add one route table, then finally we'll remove everything. Route table. Just we are going to here. That is the even even for second class everybody understood. Oh, we are not doing anything. We are going and gathering. Just AWS EC2 VPC in place of internet gateway, route table, route table. Same rules and regulations, same rules and regulations. See AWS route table, AWS route table. Just I am copying this AWS route table. According to our requirement, we will do the changes. We will do the changes. Copy this, shift down arrow. Yes, copy this. Just I am going to here. See, paste it over here. Because some extra things are. What are the extra things? Try to understand. See, resource AWS route table we know. What is the name of that? Okay, route one. route underscore one I am giving. Our meaningful name. VPC ID, AWS underscore VPC. What is our names? Tell me. What is our name? Tell me. Test underscore VPC dot ID. Are you agree with me? Even we can pass like that also. We can pass like this also. But it is look like static. What is the dynamic field? Double quotation, dollar sign, dollar sign. This is the best mechanism, best practice. We are passing dynamic nature. We are passing dynamically. This is the meaning. Okay. Root, which root? CIDR block is important or not? 10.10. Tell me. 10.10. It is, even we can give like this. 1.0 by 24. 1.0 by 24. This is the CIDR block. Just like a subnet block. Just like a subnet block. Gateway ID. Internet gateway. Internet gateway ID we need to provide. AWS Internet Gateway. See here. AWS Internet Gateway dot. What is that name? IGW, right? Here, what it is that? Tell me. Example. There, what you need to pass here. In place of example, replace with what, ma? Observe and tell me. What is that? What is the name? IGW. IGW. Even this one also, you need to mention in double quotation. Again, dollar sign, flower bracket. Again, close with flower bracket. This is the right way. I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Now, the route. Here, one more route they took. No. For route, IPv6 CADR block. 0.0.0, right? Public access. This means 0.0.0.0 slash 0. 0.0.0 slash 0. Here, ingress is there, egress is there, inbound, outbound. Here we are giving only outbound access. AWS egress only internet gateway dot. Here, this one is not available. Just to remove this. This one is not necessary. Tax name is here. Just I'm taking small name. In place of example, I'm taking route one only. Route one only. route underscore one. Control S. Check it. Is it really creating or not? Really creating. Just going to here. Up arrow. Apply it. If something goes wrong, it will provide error. Yes. See, something goes wrong. The main data of resource AWS route table, route 1. Resource AWS route table, route 1. This is IPv4 address we require. Status code 400 required. What required? Creating a route in route table with destination 10.10 by 24 invalid parameter value. The destination CADR block 10.0.24 is equal to the I think 10.10 1.0 is expecting 10 24 is equal to more specific than one of the PPC CADR block. Actually, I provide CADR block only, right? The route can target only an interface or an instance status code. Okay, we'll try in this way. 10.10. There we provide 0 assume control s up arrow up arrow. We need to mention one more requirement, maybe IPv4. There, 0.0.0/0, we need to mention. There, for that, what I am doing here, this is route IPv6 CADR block, route IPv6 CAD. Here CADR block is okay. 24 10.10 1.0 24. We'll take some other. Here route table example VPC ID okay. Route I'm taking this one. Route is equal to, directly I mention route is equal to, route is equal to route is equal to route is equal to control S route only. Then we go for tags. There I specified control S. We are giving priority to system. What it will do. CADR block IPv6 CADR block. Destination prefix list ID must be specified. IPv6 CADR block. IPv6 CADR block. IPv6 CADR block. IPv6 CADR block we need to mention. IPv6 CADR block. There IPv6 CADR block. That's why we need to mention one more route. One more route. IPv6 CADR block. There 0/, we'll try to give only this one. Here is the double quotation, :/0. That's all right. :/0. :/0. Control S. I'm going to here, up arrow, apply. If not running, we'll create at evening. Yes, created. Once it is created, we created route table, right? We'll go and check it. We'll go and check it. There route tables. There we added one route table. This is our default one is no. Our one is yes. Default. This is our we created route table. I want to remove everything. Manually, if you go and remove, it will take nearly 10 to 10 minutes. See, very simple way, very simple way. Just up arrow, in place of apply, we are giving destroy. Destroy, that's all. Everything it will remove. That is the advantage of Terraform. We can provision. Provisioning is taking time. Construction, provisioning. Here is the destruction. Here is the destruction. We are destructing all the provisioned resources. All the provisioned resources. See, once it is doing right, where we are going to just be EC2. You can easily understand. EC2. There automatically you may get termination. You may get termination. Check it. Instances origin only, right? See, it is terminated. You go to VPC. VPC. There already only one is there. Exist one is terminated. Even subnets, no subnets, no route tables, no internet gateways. Everything is clear. Even check it here. See how many resources destroyed? Six resources destroyed. If you try to click on apply, again it will create all the six. That is the advantage. That is the advantage. Now, anybody having any doubt? Even I can provide this code for you. Even I can copy and paste it. Maybe some people may have difficulty to do all these things. Other than this, I am providing. Provider, I am not providing. Remaining code, I am providing for you. I am providing for you. You can easily write, copy. I am taking Windows key or Notepad, Notepad. Just Control V, Alt FA. Just there. Resource creation. RESOURC. Resource underscore creation. Resource underscore creation. .txt, that is the text file. That is the text file. You can easily manage desktop. There I am going to which one? WhatsApp. You can get it easily. Resource desktop. Resource. Now you check it and you try to apply it. If any difficulty is there, try to ask me. Try to ask me. You need to add which one, ma? Only which one? Provider. You need to add only provider.